Boom, hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC. Guys, if you have a Yo Jumbo and you want to send it over for me to do a video of it, I would certainly love you forever. And of course, I would just borrow it for the time being and send it right back to you. My email is going to be right here on the screen if you're interested in doing that, or any knife for that matter, guys. Going forward, if you want to send me knives to review, it will be a pleasure for me to do so, and I can give you a shout out to whatever social media account or whatever you have going on. Or if you just want to stay anonymous, then that would be a pleasure for me to do. And of course, I would send it right back to you, and you know, your knife will be on the channel. So I'm excited and looking forward to that. I'll be mentioning that more going forward over the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. I'm excited to review some of the knives that you guys have. As you can probably imagine, doing so many different uploads, there's only so many knives that I can personally buy with my own money. So you know, if you guys have knives that you don't mind letting me borrow for a couple of weeks to do a video, then I would certainly appreciate that. So more details in the description if you want to learn more about that. If I love the support that you guys have been giving the channel all of these past few months, guys. Since January, yesterday, the channel actually achieved 1 million views. So super stoked, super excited for where this channel is headed with all the support that I'm getting from each and every single one of you. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you made it to this point in the video, you guys are the real MVPs. Chances are by the time you're watching this video, the review video for the Lothar Leech King, this knife right here from Lothar Knives, chances are the review video for this guy is available in the channel. So I'll put a card for that knife right here if you want to check that next. Thank you guys again. Love you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.